Hey everyone, today we are 5,000 feet above sea level in Coonoor to check out this newly opened restaurant called Anma. We travelled over 4 hours in the iconic Nilgiri mountain railway to get here and I'm quite hungry. So without much ado, let's go check out the place. Anma's menu is a departure from the ordinary. It features a distinctive marker system that highlights the health benefits, emotional impact, and social costs associated with each dish. This innovative approach allows diners to make informed choices by contributing to a good cause. We tried the full English breakfast, a hearty ensemble that promised a glorious clash of textures and flavors. Our Indian food craving was satisfied by the Rogan Josh served with paratha, pickled onions and some crisps. We also couldn't resist the allure of the lamb burger. For dessert, we sampled the popular Tutti Frutti sundae, and to combat the mountain chill, we also indulged in a rich, hot chocolate topped with marshmallows. A portion of every purchase at Anma supports the Hill of Flowers project, an initiative aimed at restoring the region's ecological balance and empowering local women. By employing local women as flower guardians, the project seeks to create sustainable livelihoods while transforming barren hills into vibrant floral landscapes. Its long-term impact on the community and the success of the Hill of Flowers project will be interesting to observe.